This biological lab has secretly developed a virus that makes people lose their minds. It has caused many people in the lab to mutate. They have bloodthirsty believers. Although the guards are fighting back, they can only stand and retreat because there are too many corpses. The soldier suggested that the doctor leave this place immediately, but the doctor refused. He wanted to atone for his sins. He planned to research the vaccine according to the data. People often die of overspeeding. Not long after, the soldiers were suddenly found on the ground. Direct contact with the ground. 10 years have passed in a blink of an eye. A military helicopter came here again. A team of fully armed soldiers successfully landed on the island. Not long after, they met a strange woman. The whole team immediately prepared for battle. Then the corpse ran towards them. The captain killed her directly, but the gunshot attracted more corpses. Looking at the corpses all over the place, the captain ordered to retreat from behind. Unexpectedly, there were no corpses here either. When Huang Mao was fighting the corpse, the signal transmitter accidentally dropped, but he didn't notice it. Although they are fully armed, there are too many corpses. Soon, a female team member was thrown to the ground. The captain saw this and came forward to help. He wanted to pull the corpse, but he pulled the corpse's 2 arms directly. Finally, he shot her with his head and sent her away. Unfortunately, the female team member was bitten. Her teammates hurried to bandage her wound. The corpses around her were slowly cleaned up. The captain decided to take the lead and scout the way, but he didn't pay attention. The corpse that was kicked out of the grass fell to the ground and was directly hit by the river. Deputy Captain A Wei temporarily served as a commander. Soon, they came to the experimental base, and the corpses here also heard the movement and rushed towards everyone. Then, it was a mess. At the moment of crisis, the survivors of the other team arrived in time and temporarily relieved the crisis. Everyone came to the lab. After the conversation, they knew that everyone had the same purpose. They found the surviving doctor. Everyone continued to move forward. When they came to the corner of the stairs, they heard 2 gunshots. When they looked at each other, it turned out that the 2 corpses were walking around with guns. Awei was just about to get rid of the 2 corpses, but he was knocked down by a man who suddenly appeared. Awei saw it and asked the man to put down the gun immediately. The man explained that he was the doctor of this lab.